Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about olives. Do you know, kids? What are olives? Olives are the special fruit that Allah Himself called blessed. Allah mentions the olive trees many times in Qur'an. In Surah An-Nur, Allah calls it is a blessed tree. In Surah At-Tin, Allah swears by the fig and olives. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Eat olive and use its oil, for indeed it is a blessed tree." Do you know, kids, what is the importance of olives? Olives and olive oil gives us strength, energy, and protect our heart. Using olive oil is following the beautiful sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Olive oil keeps our skin soft and healthy. Kids, even though olives are small, they are full of blessing. Al-Kabir Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabir Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.